This is Timur. He speaks Russian, Ukrainian, and English, but he doesn't speak Chinese. We've challenged him to spend a whole day in China using just this pocket translator to get around. Good luck.
Hey guys, I just made it to Beijing. The first thing I want to do is grab some breakfast. Let's see if Langogo can help.
Hi, I'll have one.
我要一个。
来一个吗？
So Lango helped me get this tasty Jian bean. My next stop is Temple of Heaven, but first I need to find the subway. Hi, I'm sorry. Can you tell me where the subway station is?
你能告诉我地铁站在哪里吗？
地铁，沿着这条路直走，左转就可以看到。
Go straight on this road and turn left and you can see.
Oh, okay, thank you.
My first attraction is Temple of Heaven, one of the most iconic landmarks in Beijing. I wonder if Langogo can help me get a picture.
Hello, can you take a picture of me?
你好，你能给我照张相吗？
Hey guys, just saw Temple of Heaven and now it's time for some lunch.
Langogo also has a built-in smart assistant Yuri. Let's see if he can convert these prices for me.
Hey Yuri, what is 18 RMB in US dollars?
$2.62.
Okay, sounds about right. Thank you, Yuri.
After that amazing meal, it's time to head somewhere I always wanted to go. The Great Wall of China. No trip to Beijing is complete without it. While there was no one around for us to use Langogo with, I was impressed that it still had signal. Now I'm heading back to the city to start looking for some souvenirs. Xiamen is a shopping street with over 570 years of history. Let's see if Langogo can help me buy a souvenir here.
Hi, how much for this?
这个多少钱？
80块钱的。
$80.
Thank you. Hey guys, this is the end of my Beijing trip. I had a lot of fun filming this review and done things that I would never done, visit places I would never visit, and all these thanks to this little device, Langogo, which I strongly suggest to you to bring it with you on your next journey. I know I will. Hey guys, thank you for watching GI Gadgets. Click the like button if you like what you saw and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.